Ever wondered how your computer keeps your apps safe and snappy? Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to TutorialsArena. Today, we're diving into the hidden world of kernel space and user space, the ultimate guardians of your machine. Let's unlock the secrets. Picture your computer's operating system as a high-tech city. At its heart lies a fortified zone, the kernel space. This is the control center with total power over hardware. Outside, the user space, where your apps live, like bustling neighborhoods. But here's the twist. Apps can't just waltz into the control center. They need permission. Let's explore why. Meet the kernel space, the brain of your operating system. It has full, unrestricted access to your CPU, memory, and hardware. Think of it as the ultimate VIP with a backstage pass to everything. But beware. One wrong move here, and poof, your whole system crashes. This is why it's locked down tighter than a bank vault. Now, let's visit the user space. This is where your apps, like browsers, games, and tools, hang out. But there's a catch. They're in a sandbox. They can build, experiment, even crash, but the sandbox walls keep the rest of the system safe. No app gets to touch the hardware directly. Safety first, right? So, how do apps get anything done? Enter system calls, the secure bridge between worlds. When an app needs to read a file or send data, it raises its hand and says, "Hey kernel, can you do this for me?" The kernel checks the request like a bouncer at a club. Valid? It does the job. Sketchy? Request denied. No exceptions. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. So now the question is, why split the operating system into two worlds? Let me break it down for you. The first point is security. Suppose there is a malware in user space. The kernel slams the door. The second point is stability. Even if your game crashes, your whole PC stays rock solid. The third point is fairness. The kernel ensures no application hogs all your RAM or CPU. This separation isn't just smart, it's what keeps your computer alive. Here's the magic. Isolation enables collaboration. The user space lets apps innovate freely, while the kernel space maintains order. Every click, swipe, or command you make, it's powered by this silent partnership. So next time you open an app, remember, there's a whole city working behind the scenes. I hope you loved this deep dive. Smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon, so you never miss our next tech adventure. Want to know how system calls really work? Or how malware tries to break the kernel's rules? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep coding, stay curious, and remember, TutorialsArena is your shortcut to mastering tech. See you again in the next tutorial.